Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planting a couple varieties of plants that look, well, let's just say kind of dangerous. However, they are not that bad. I'm going to be planting blue sea holly as well as a Kniphofia called red hot poker. So let me show you what I got down here. So a majority of these are plants that I started from bare root. This right here is the sea holly. I'll show you the picture. It got a little damp, but as you can see, they look kind of pokey, and from what I've heard, they are. But I got these at Walmart. You get 3 roots for $5. However, I think I only had one come up. Not a big deal. Let's see the stats on here. It comes back every year. Alright, so I'm thinking that the important information was washed away. Now this tag is completely falling apart, but there's kind of a little peekaboo of what these look like. And then of course, we are not getting any information out of this tag. So I have a couple here, and they are kind of soft. They're like a soft texture, kind of grassy. So I have one there, and then there's actually 2 in this pot. And then I have one over here. Of course, I have plans for these other plants, but I'm not ready to plant them yet. I'm just trying to get them used to the hot weather that is extremely hot out here. So now I'm going to place these plants, and I'll show you where they're going to go. All right, so we're in what I'm calling End Cap Garden 1. I just planted these Wizard of Oz Veronicas. So what I wanted to do is kind of spread these out. So I have one there, one over here, and then I was going to put one there, but I think I want to put like a grass or something there. So I placed the 3rd one over here. So I just think it'll be kind of a nice backdrop, and I looked up online, these get kind of tall. So that is why they are towards the back. So now I'm going to get my biotone, my trowel, and I'm going to get these planted. Alright, so I just got them placed and watered in. And you're probably wondering why I did not add a layer of mulch yet. Well, I am still working on this area. So, let's go plant the other one. Okay, so this is the area where I was going to put the sea holly. So as you can see, I have it sat back here. Now, here's the story with this. It's not like really dangerous, but it does get pokey. So I do want to keep it away from people and dogs. And this is kind of far away from like any activity that we could possibly be doing out here in the yard. But another thing I wanted to do is I'm basing a lot around this red tree. I want to do kind of like a red, white, and blue area over here. So I have the Bloodgood Japanese maple tree, the Wizard of Oz Veronica, And then right here, this is actually an Annabelle or snowball bush. We have our red, we have our white, and now we're going to have our blue. And from what I've heard, these keep their blue color even after they die, which is good. And like I said, this is probably the only good place to put it because I don't want anybody to interact with it. Plus, I also need something kind of tall here, so that should work. All right, I'm gonna get this planted. Alright guys, it's all planted, so I still have a little bit of room to fill in with some things, but who knows what I will find. Alright, I think that almost completes this area. Still kind of working on it a little bit, but we will get there eventually. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.